Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 3 in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am a math teacher. Now we will start lesson number 5, multiplication. Before starting our today's topic, first we will see what you had learned our last classes. So student, all of you know very well what you had learned our last classes. So first you had learned the recall. In this topic, we had learned the table. What you had learned? Table. Which table we had learned? From 2 to 10. 2 से लेकर 10 तक का टेबल हमने पढ़ा था. Then after we had learned the property of multiplication. So which property of multiplication? First property of multiplication, when we multiply two numbers. When we multiply two numbers, the order in which we multiply them does not matter, the product remain the same. So look at here example, we are taking the two number and look at here we are changing the order of number. For example, 9 into 7 and 7 into now. Look at here we are changing the order of number, so we will get answer every time is the same. Here also getting 63 and here also 63. So this is the property number 1. When we are changing the order of number, then also we will get answer is the same. Then property number 2. The product of a number and 1 is number itself. When we are multiply 1 in any number, we will get answer is the itself number. So this is some example. 6 into 1 equal to 6, 7 into 1 equal to 7, 5 into 1 equal to 5, 4 into 1 equal to 4. So this is the when we are multiply it 1 in any number, we will get itself number. Then property number 3. Product of a number and 0 is 0. When we are multiply 0 in any number, we will get answer is the 0. 5 into 0 equal to 0. 7 into 0 equal to 0. 89 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 multiplied by 0, 0. So this is property number 3. When we are multiply 0 in any number, we will get answer is the 0. Now property number 4. When you multiply 3 numbers, you can group them in any order. The product is always the same. After taking any 3 numbers, how many number? 3 number. And we will make the group of any two number. So we will get answer every time itself number. So for example, here taking the 3, 4 and 5 numbers. Okay, first they are making the group of 3 and 4 and 5 is writing outside, so we will get answer 60. Then they are making the group of 4 and 5 and 3 is writing outside, so we will get answer 60. Here they are making the group of 3 and 5 and 4 is writing outside, so we will get answer 60. And here they are making a group of 4 and 3 and 5 is writing outside, so we will get answer is the 60. So this is the property number 4. This is our property. Then after we had learned the multiplication without regrouping, then multiplication with regrouping. Then after we had learned the 2-digit multiply, 1-digit regrouping. Then after we had learned the 3-digit multiply, 1-digit with regrouping once. Then after we had learned 3-digit multiply, 1-digit with regrouping twins. Then we had learned the multiplication by 10, 20, 30 up to 90, then 100, 200 up to 900, then 1000, 2000, 3000 up to 9000. So when we are multiply 10, when to multiply number 10, 20, 30 up to 90, multiply them by 1, 2, 3 up to 9 and put the 0 to the right of the product. When we are multiply 0 to 90, so we will first multiply 1, 2, 3, whichever the value, and then we will put the 1 0 in the right side. For example, 7 into 20. So first we will multiply 7 into 2. 7 into 2, 14, and in the 20 have a 1 0, so we will put 1 0, so we will get answer is the 140. So this is example. Now then multiplying a number 100, 200 up to 900. So multiply the given number 1, 2 up to 9 and put the 2 0 to the right of the product. When we are multiply 10, 2 up to 900, so we will write first multiply 1, 2 up to 9 and then we will put the 2 0 in the right side. So look at here one example. 14 into 300. 14 into 300. So 14 into 3 we will get 42, and in 100 300 how many 0? 2 0. So we will put 2 0. So we will get 42 and then 2 0. So what we will get? 4200. So this is when we are multiply 100, 200, 300, 400 up to 900. Then after when we are multiply 1000, 2000, 3000 up to 9000. So first we will multiply 1, 2, 3 up to 9 and put the 3 0 at the right side of the product. For example, 8 into 1000. So 8 into 1, 8, and 1000 is the 3 0. So we will put 3 0. So we will get 8000 answer. So this is when we are multiply 10, 20, 30 up to 90. Then after we had learned the distributing property of multiplication over the addition. So look at here some example. What here is the sum dot. Okay, so in the one row, this is the row. In the one row, how many dots? 9 dots. And like that, how many rows? Like that have a 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. So first they are writing the 3 into 9. 3 into 9 means 3 row, and each row have a 9 dots. So 3 into 9 equal to 27. Then that row is divided. Okay, so that row is divided into the 4 and 5 groups. So first, how many rows? 3 rows. So in the first row, how many dots? 4 dots. Each row have a 4 dots, and that another row is the each row have a 5 dots. So 3 into 4 plus 3 into 5 equal to 27. 3 into 4 12, and 3 into 5 15. So 12 plus 15 equal to 27. So this is example 2. Then look at here. Here is the 3 rows. That 3 rows is divided into the 2 groups, and this is the 7. In this group each row have a 2 dots, and here have a 7 dots. So 3 into 2 and 3 into 7. 3 into 2 6, and 3 into 7 21. So 6 plus 21 equal to 27. Then 3 rows of the 3 dots and 3 rows of the 6 dots. Now look at here. Here have a 3 rows. First that row have a 3 dots in each row, and here is the 6 dot in the each row. So 3 into 3 9, and 3 into 6 equal to 18, and 9 plus 18 27. So this is one example in this topic. Then after we had learned now look at here. 12 can be written as example 7 into 12. That 12 as written as 10 plus 2. That 12 is written as 10 plus 2. Why? Because we want to divide into that multiplication fact. So now we will do multiplication. 7 into, now here is the bracket, in the bracket 10 plus 2. 7 into 2, now middle sign is the plus, and 7 into 2, so 7 into 10 70, and 7 into 2 14 70 plus 14 equal to 84. So how much getting? 84. Now look at here. Here have a all time is getting the 84 answer. But when we are when we are converted number in the tens means rounded value, so we will this is for making a easy. जब क्या होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे 12 है, 12 को हमने राउंडेड वैल्यू में फॉर्म किया है. 12 की राउंडेड वैल्यू क्या आती है, 10. 10 + 2 12 होता है. जब हम इसको राउंडेड वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो हमें करने के लिए वो क्या होता है, सम ईजी होता है. हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन हम 10 के फॉर्म में, यहाँ पे 12 है, अगर 35 होता, 65 होता, तो हम क्या करते हैं, 65 की राउंडेड वैल्यू क्या होती है, 60. सो 60 + 5 कितना होता है, 65 होता है. मतलब वो हमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के लिए ईजी होता है. सो दिस इज वी हैड लर्न आवर लास्ट क्लास. नाउ आवर टुडेज टॉपिक, 2 digit multiplication. There are the 86 packets of biscuit. How many packets of biscuit? 86 packets of biscuit with the 24 biscuits in each pocket. So how many biscuits are there? How many pockets? 86 pockets, and each pockets have a 24 biscuit. In each pockets have a 24 biscuit. So total how many biscuit we have? So for that we will do multiplication. 86 multiplied by 24. 86 multiplied by 24. So now that 20 we will write in the 20 plus 4 form. So now look at here, 86 multiplied 24 equal to 86 multiplied 20 plus 4. 86 into 20 plus 86 into 4. 86 into 20 equal to 1720, and 86 into 4 equal to 344. Now we will add both numbers. So 1720 plus 344 equal to 2064. So how much getting answer? 2064. So this is one method, and this is another. This is the short method. So now look at here, 86 multiplied by 24. 86 multiplied by 24. This is 2 digit number, multiply 2 digit number. Now we will do multiplication. First we will multiply 4 by 86. 4 into 8. 4 into 6. How much? 4 into 6 equal to 24. So 4 is writing here and 2 is the carry. Now 8. 4 into 8. 4 into 8. 32. 32 plus 2. 34. So we'll write here 34. Now that 2 is the place of tens. ये 2 जो है हमारा कौन से प्लेस पे है? टेंस वाले प्लेस पे है. तो हम हमारी वंस वाली प्लेस है वहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? 0 पुट करेंगे, क्योंकि ये 2 हमारा जो है वो क्या है? टेंस वाले प्लेस पे है. Now 2 into 6, 12. 2 into 6 how much? 12. So we'll write here 2 and 1 is the carry. Now 2 into 8, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. So now we will add both number. ठीक है, तो अभी ऐड करने के बाद 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 7, 10. So 0 is writing, 1 is carry. 1 plus 1, 2. So how much getting answer? 2064. Now look at here in the both मेथड इज गेटिंग आंसर इज द सेम. ये क्या है? शॉर्ट मेथड है. हम इससे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी मेथड से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे 86 को किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है? 4 के साथ, क्योंकि 4 हमारा 1th वाले प्लेस पे है, और यहाँ पे 86 को 20 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया है, क्योंकि हमारा 2 जो है वो 10 वाले प्लेस पे है. तो हमें ये क्या है? शॉर्ट मेथड है. ओके, now look at here exercise 8.5, multiply by the short method. ये वाली शॉर्ट मेथड है, उसको यूज़ करके हमें ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन को सॉल्व करना है. सो now look at here example number 1. So what is the example number 1? Example number 1 is the 60 multiply 42. 60 multiply by 42. 60 multiply by 42. So I hope all of you learn table. सबको टेबल लर्न हो गई है, I hope. Okay, so now look at here. 0 multiply by 0. So this is property of multiplication. When we are multiply 0 in any number, we will get answer 0. So we will write here 0. हमने यहाँ 0 लिख दिया क्योंकि 2 को 0 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 0 आता है. So now 2 into 6. In the two tables, in the place of 6, which is the value 12. So we will write here 12. ठीक है. Now दिस 4 इज़ द प्लेस ऑफ टेंस. ये 4 जो है हमारा कौन से प्लेस पे है, टेंस वाले प्लेस पे है. तो हम वंस वाले प्लेस पे हम क्या कर देंगे, 0 पुट कर देंगे. नाउ 4 into 0 वी विल गेट 0. दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लीकेशन. व्हेन वी आर मल्टीप्लाई 0 इन एनी नंबर वी विल गेट आंसर 0. सो विल राइट हियर 0. नाउ 4 into 6. 4 into 6 24. सो विल राइट हियर 24. नाउ विल डू एडिशन. 0 plus 0 0. 2 plus 0 2. 1 plus 4 5 and 2. So how much getting answer? 2520. 2520 we are getting the answer. Now look at here example number 2. What is the example number 2? 79 multiply 54. 79 multiply by 54. Now look at here 4 9. 4 9s are 4 in the 4 table in the 9th place is the 36. So 6 is writing here and 3 is the carry. Now 7 4 7s are 4 7s are in the 4 tables. In the 4 table in the 7th place is the 28. 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3 equal to 31. How much getting? 31. So यहाँ पे हमने 31 लिख दिया. Now that 5 is the place of 10. So we will put 0 in the 1 place. Now 5 into 9. 5 into 9 45. So we will write here 5 and 4 is the carry. Now 4 हमारा carry हो गया. 5 into 7 35. 35 plus 4 39. So we will write here 39. Now we will do addition. 6 plus 0 6. 1 plus 5 6. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 कितना होता है 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 3 4. So how much getting answer? 4266. 4266. So this is example number 2. Now example number 3. 68 multiply 27. 68 multiply 27. Now 7 into 8. 7 into 8 equal to 56. So we'll write here 6 and 5 is the carry. ठीक है. Now 7 into 2. 7 into 6. 7 into 6 equal to 42. 42 plus 5 47. 7 के टेबल में 6 वाले प्लेस में क्या आता है 42. 42 plus 5 कितना होगा 47 आएगा. ठीक है. फिर नाउ ये 2 कौन से प्लेस पे है 10 वाले प्लेस पे है. तो हम 1 वाले प्लेस पे 0 पुट कर देंगे. 2 into 8 6 not 2 into 8 16. So we are writing here 6 and 1 is the carry. 2 into 6 12. 12 plus 1 13. So we are writing 13. 6 plus 0 6. 7 plus 6 13. So 1 is carry. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 3 8 and 1. How much getting answer? 1836. 1836 we are getting the answer. So all of you first thing again understand, all of you need learn a table. सबको ये जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है मल्टीप्लिकेशन और जो डिवीजन के क्या होते हैं एग्जाम्पल रहते हैं लेसन रहते हैं उसमें आपको टेबल होना ये लर्न होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो आप सब जन क्या करो टेबल को लर्न करो जिसको टेबल नहीं आता है उसको. सो नाउ लुक एट एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4. 46 multiply 29. 46 multiply by 29. 46 multiply by 29. Look at here now. 9 6 54. 9 के टेबल में 6 वाले प्लेस पे क्या आता है 54 आता है. सो 4 is writing here and 5 is the carry. Now 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 5, 36 plus 5, 41. So we are writing 41. Now 2 is the place of 10, so we'll put 0 in the 1 place. Now 2 into 6, 12, so 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. And 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So we are writing 9. Now we will do addition. 4 plus 0 equal to 4, 4 plus 2 equal to 3, 4 plus 9, 4 plus 9, 13. So we are writing here 13. So how much getting answer? 1334. 1334 we are getting the answer. This is example number 4. Now look at here example number 5. What is the example number 5? 93 multiply 78. 93 multiply by 78. So now look at here. 8 into 3. 8 into 3, 24. So 4 is writing here and 2 is the carry. Now 8 into 9. 8 into 9, 72. 72 plus 2, 74. 8 को 9 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना आता है? 72. और हमने 2 जो कैरी किया था उसको ऐड किया तो कितना हो गया? 74. सो कितना हो गया? 744. नाउ we will put 0 in the 1 place because 7 is the place of tens. Now 7 into 3. 7 into 3, 21. So we will write here 1 and 2 is the carry. Now 7 into 9. 7 into 9, 63. 63 plus 3, 65. So how much getting? 65. Now we will do addition. 4 plus 0 equal to 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 7 plus 5 equal to 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. Now 1 plus 6, 7. So how much getting answer? 7254. 7254. So this is example number 5. Now look at here example number 6. 56 multiply 94. 56 multiply 94. So now look at here. 4 into 6. 4 into 6, 24. So 4 is writing here and 2 is the carry. Now 4 into 5. 4 into 5, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So we are writing here 22. Now we will put 0 here in 1 place because 9 is the place of 10 place. So now look at here. 9 into 6. 9 into 6, 54. So we'll 54. So we'll write here 4 and 5 is the carry. 9 into 5. 9 into 5, 45. 45 plus 5, 50. So we are writing here 50. Now we will do addition. Okay. 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 0, 2 and 5. So how much getting answer? 5264. 5264. तो हमें कितना आंसर मिल गया? 5264. So this is example number 6. Now look at here example number 7. 19 multiply by 17. 19 multiply by 17. Now look at here. 7 into 9. 7 into 9, 63. So we will write here 3 and 6 is the carry. 7 into 1. 7 into 1, 7 and 7 plus 6 equal to 13. कितना हो गया? 13 हो गया. Now we will put 0 in the place of 1 because 1 is the place of 10. So now we are writing here 0. 1 into 9, 9 and 1 into 1, 1. So now we will do addition. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So how much getting answer? 323. 323. So this is example number 7. Now example number 8. 86 multiply 84. 86 multiply 84. So now look at here. 4 into 6. 4 into 6, 24. So 4 is writing here and 2 is the carry. Now 8 into 4. 8 into 4. 8 into 4, 32. 32 plus 2, 30. 32 plus 2, 34. So we are writing here 34. 4. Now we will put 0 in the place of ones because 8 is the place of tens. Now 8 into 6. 8 into 6, 48. 48. So 8 is writing here and 4 is the carry. Now 8 into 8, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. So we are writing here 68. Now we will do addition. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 6, 7. So we are writing here 7. So how much getting answer? 7224. 7224 we are getting the answer. So this is exercise 5.6 question number A. Question number B we will be see in our next period. And again one thing student, okay, that I gave you one project. Which project I gave you? पेज नंबर 63. कौन से पेज नंबर पे है? पेज नंबर 63 पे है. फन एक्टिविटी. ये मैंने आपको क्या दिया है? प्रोजेक्ट दिया है. तो कुछ स्टूडेंट ने सेंड किया है लेकिन कुछ स्टूडेंट ने अभी तक सेंड नहीं किया है, तो वो आपको सेंड करना है. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि आज ही करना है, बट बिफोर एग्ज़ाम प्लीज़ सेंड. आपकी जो पीरियोडिक टेस्ट 2 होगी उस एग्ज़ाम के पहले आपको क्या करनी है? सेंड करनी है. ठीक है. सो आई होप all of you nicely understood. Thank you and have a nice day.